Practical tips for a low-fat lifestyle. Number 1. Read labels. Familiarize yourself with food labels to identify hidden fats. Look for terms like trans fat, saturated fat, and partially hydrogenated oils, and aim to choose products with lower or no amounts of these fats. Number 2. Cooking methods. Opt for cooking methods that require less or no added fats, such as baking, grilling, steaming, or sautéing with minimal oil. Non-stick pans can be valuable in reducing the need for added fats. Number 3. Choose healthy fats. While the focus is on reducing total fat intake, it's crucial to include sources of healthy fats, such as avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. These fats provide essential fatty acids and contribute to overall well-being. Subscribe and follow on other social media platforms.
Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.